Please like, share, and subscribe. In today's video, we're going to make our own fragrance spray and learn why you need to know how to make this fantastic do-it-yourself product for your home. Why make your own? Well, this recipe contains ingredients with an abundance of health and beauty benefits. The spray contains properties which support stress reduction. It also moisturizes and tightens the skin. And of course, making your own can be easier on the pocketbook. Ingredients are simple and natural, and best of all, many can be found in your cupboards. But more importantly, they don't contain the added preservatives and toxins that can be found in many manufactured products. All right, let's get to it. We need 1 4-ounce amber glass spray bottle, 2 ounces of distilled water, 1 ounce of witch hazel. Witch hazel absorbs excess oil, tightens pores, is moisturizing, and supports inflammation reduction. 1 ounce of vegetable glycerin. Vegetable glycerin is moisturizing and also absorbs excess oil. 20 drops of essential oils. Essential oils I like to use is geranium, lemongrass, and YLANG. 10 drops of geranium essential oil. Geranium supports hormone balances, can relieve stress and anxiety, and the effects of menopause. It's antibacterial, a natural deodorant, and bug repellent. 5 drops of lemongrass essential oil. Lemongrass is a natural cleanser and deodorizer. It has antiseptic and antioxidant properties. It reduces stress and anxiety and is a natural bug repellent. 5 drops of YLANG essential oil. YLANG can reduce stress and anxiety, support energy and the libido, and soothe the skin. Combine 2 ounces of distilled water, 1 ounce of witch hazel, and 1 ounce of vegetable glycerin in a bowl. Next, add 10 drops of geranium, 5 drops of lemongrass, and 5 drops of YLANG essential oils. Add mixture to a 4-ounce amber glass spray bottle. Put lid on bottle, shake, and spray. It's just that easy. Here's the recipe if you'd like a screenshot. Remember, store in a cool, dry place. This spray not only makes you smell great, but use it as a midday face spray to wake you up and refresh the senses. Thanks for watching, and remember, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell for more wellness content at The Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.